My name is Anilkrishna. I am an aspiring film director. So I wanted to make a documentary on our Indian freedom struggle, giving the name "The Leaders Want to Talk to You." So I have written script and I was ready with all the things, and I was waiting for the right people who will dub for the 4 freedom fighter characters. Actually, I was searching a lot, but I did not get the right people. But with help of Mr. Sri Ramesh Kishan Garu, I got 4 dubbing artists for all the 4 characters like Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and B.R. Ambedkar. Once I came in touch with Ramesh Gaud Garu, he has helped me a lot in bringing the right dubbing artists like Madhusudan Garu, Hanumantarao Garu, Ramesh Garu. They have given their voices for the 4 freedom fighters, which really helped me a lot. And also the best thing of this team is that they gave me dubbing on time, and they gave it for affordable cost. I think it would have gone beyond the budget if I planned in some other way. These 4 people, Ramesh Gaud and team, they really helped me a lot, and the dubbing came out very well. Now I am so happy that the documentary is coming ready, and very soon I am going to send it and also release in YouTube also. Thank you, Andy. Thank you all for the team.
రమేష్ కిషన్ గారి శిక్షణలోనే ఇదంతా మొదలైందండి. అసలు బీజం వేసిందే ఆయన. ఆయన నిజంగా చెప్పాలంటే అక్షరమాల నుంచి మొదలుపెట్టారు, బాల శిక్ష నుంచి మొదలుపెట్టారు, శిక్షలు కూడా వేశారు.
కానీ ఈరోజు రెండు క్యారెక్టర్లు చెప్పడం ఎట్లా ఉంది?
అద్భుతంగా ఉందండి. ఎందుకంటే మాకు వేరియేషన్, డిక్షన్ అంతా నేర్పించారు. కాబట్టి వాటిని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకుని అన్నీ చెప్పడం జరిగింది.